So for another example on finding area between two curves, I have this. I have f of x equals 3x cubed plus x squared minus 10x, and g of x equals negative 2x squared plus 2x. How do I know which one is which? This one is cubic, so it would be this one. This one is squared, so it would be the parabola. Highlight them. So cubic here and quadratic here. And it says find the area between the two curves. Well, we end up with two areas. We end up with this area and this area. And when we're doing area between two curves, we need to take top minus bottom equations. And so we'll have to do this one in two parts, because here pink is on top, green is on the bottom, and here green is on top, pink is on the bottom. So we can't do it all at once. We'll have to do area number 1 and area number 2. So I'm going to start with area number 1, and I'll go from x equals negative 2 to 0. And I'm going to go top minus bottom. Top is my pink equation, minus bottom is my green equation. I have to put the green one in parentheses because I need to subtract the whole thing, so I need to distribute that negative to both terms. So I end up with 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x plus x squared minus 2x. I'm going to do the antiderivative of that, plug in 0, plug in negative 2, subtract, and I'll have that area. I'm going to combine like terms first. I just have 1 cubed. I've got a negative x squared and a positive x squared. So that works out. And I've got a minus 12x. So antiderivative would be 3x to the 4th over 4 minus 12x squared over 2, which would be minus 6x squared. When I plug in 0, I get 0. And so I just need to plug in negative 2. Negative 2 to the 4th would be negative 2, 4, 8, 16. So 3 times 16 over 4. And negative 2 squared would be 4. So 16 over 4 is 4, so this ends up being 12, and that's 24. 12 minus 24 is negative 12, so 0 minus negative 12, 12. 12 for that area. Now I gotta start over and do this one. And the only thing that's different is now the green's on top and the pink is on the bottom. So I'll do green minus pink. So I'll do from 0 to 2, and green, negative x squared plus 2x minus pink. 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x. And I'm going to distribute my minus and combine like terms. Looks like my x squareds will cancel again. I'll have 12x and minus 3x cubed. So my function ends up being very similar. It's just because I switched them around, the signs are switched. So my antiderivative would be 12x squared over 2, which is 6x squared. And then minus 3x to the 4th over 4. And I have to plug in 2. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. And then 2 to the 4th is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. If I plug in 0, I would get 0. So this ends up being the same. So I would say my total area would be 12 plus 12, which is 24.